Hello, this is wpholder, the Ukrainian guy who will help you with your website. You can contact me by email in the description under this video. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click like. Okay, today I want to show you how to add products to the category in the WooCommerce shop, how to work with categories, how to edit it, add and remove. Great. So, you should go to the dashboard. Here is products and here is categories. Click on the categories. Now, write your new category in the left column. New category name. Here, you can add the URL for the category. If you do not add it, it will be generated automatically. Okay, if you need it to be subcategory and not parent category, just choose from the drop-down the parent category. Okay, you can add image and description also. I will not do this for now. So add new category. Here we have our category. Great. To delete it, you should just hover and click delete button. So very easy. If you need to edit, click edit. And now you will be able to edit all the information which we added before. So now you can go to the products and add the product you want to the category. If you want to do it in book, just select products you want to edit, click book actions and click edit, apply. Now you can select the category for our two products and click update. If you want to add the category for the single product, you can click quick edit, just hovering it and click quick edit and select category here. Click update. Also, you can edit category in the product editor. So click edit. We see our default WooCommerce product backend. Scroll to the bottom and here is product categories. Just select it and click update. If you don't see these product categories and you search and there are no product categories on the page, click screen options and make sure the checkbox for product categories is selected. Because it's not selected, it will be like this. You see, no product categories anymore. We select it and we have it. Okay, if my video helped you, you can say thank you by leaving some donation, which all information you can find in description area under this video. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe.